Well, hey, welcome back to Jessy Jamboree's Quarantine Kitchen. I'm Jessy Jamboree, and tonight we're making fajitas. Let's wash those hands. I actually marinated my flat iron steak here. A mixture of kosher salt, paprika, garlic pepper, and some cayenne. This is my version, one of my versions, tonight's version, what I've got around. So this has been marinating for about a half an hour. And what we want to do is get this cut up into slices. Boom, let's set those aside for a minute. And now we prep our veggies. So we're gonna put this bell pepper in, cut off the head like that. Then we're gonna break this down and just kind of slice it into pieces like so. You wanna get nice even cuts on your veggies so it all cooks at the same rate. Now I ran out of onions, so I got shallots tonight. All right, so we're just gonna slice these up like so. And then we're gonna put this fresh tomato in there too. We're just gonna break this down into a few big chunky pieces like so for the fajitas. Bam. All right, we're ready. So we're gonna get these up to high. We got this steak one going high already. Got some oil here. Just drizzle it on there. Okay. Get that oil in the pan. Now let's get our steaks on. Yeah, that's good. You want to hear that sizzle as soon as they're going on. Just push them all in there. Gonna let that cook separately from our veggies here. All right, so first we're gonna get our onions in. Woo! Peppers popping. Woo, that's hot. I want to get these veggies toasted up pretty good. Ooh, yeah, and then those onions, well, you might want to turn that. Don't have the veggie one on high. I mean, I had it on high, now I turned it down, but the veggies are pretty, looking nice and cooked right now, the onions especially. So I'm gonna drop these tomatoes in, cool it down a little bit. Talking about medium. We're gonna flip these steaks. Oh, there we go. That's a nice char. These veggies are gonna be nice and cooked down, which is what we want. Nice soft tomatoes. The onions are getting nice and toasted in there. Maybe a little too toasted, but you know, play around and try stuff out. Yeah, the steak is cooking down good. Look at that. Look at the juices all rushing up to the top of it there. And of course, I've got that restaurant style salsa I taught you how to make in the last episode right here for munching. Let's see how these are looking. Cooking down pretty good. So now I'm gonna combine the two. The steak's getting pretty cooked in there, and it's gonna keep cooking in this cast iron as well. See all the juices getting out of there? Sauce and all. All right, and now on this open flame up here, this is where I'm gonna heat these tortillas. One at a time, boom, right on the flame. Rotate this meat out a bit here and there. Look at those big chunky steak pieces. Perfect toastiness, look at that tortilla. Look at that. Look at it. Hot. Hot. All right, get that in there. Top it with that to keep it hot. And that is looking good. So we're gonna turn that to low right now. We'll toast the rest of these tortillas. Boom, perfect timing. Whoa, tortillas out of control. All right, that's a poofed up one. Yow! That's hot. Be careful with these tortillas. I'm telling you, you gotta remember you put those on there. Now you can make all sorts of side dishes with this. Guacamole or like avocado cream or some like beans, rice, some greens, whatever you want to put in there really. All I really need is some sour cream and that homemade restaurant style salsa. Speaking of. Mmm. One of those fajitas. These are dank. Woo, another one poofing up. Oh, look at that. One more, uno mas, and we are just about ready to serve this up. I like to do it here on my favorite hot plate that my sister painted. A true work of art. And the fajitas are ready. Wow, 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 wow. That is what we're after. So let's make one of these things. All right, so here's how I do it up. Take a tortilla, bam, that. Get some sour cream. Just plop that on there like that. Smear it all over. Yeah, smear the sour cream all over it. There we go, good. Now we get our fajitas on. Ooh, that is a bite. That is a bite there. That is a bite there. Our homemade restaurant style salsa. Now that is what we're after. Here they are, the fajitas of tonight. Mmm. That is just a delight right there. Mmm. The steak is cooked medium well, just like my girlfriend likes it, but I mean, it was tasty. And with that salsa and sour cream, that's really all you need. There's veggies. You gotta try these fajitas. This is Jessy Jamboree. Over and out. Mm. Mm.